From the old courthouse in Morant Bay to this modern courthouse in the Morant Bay Urban Center, we are fulfilling the vision of Paul Bogle for a just and prosperous society. The Morant Bay Urban Center, now under construction, stands as a beacon of transformation. Along with major infrastructure projects, it represents a bright future for St. Thomas and Jamaica as a whole. The development reflects our government's commitment to building a prosperous and equitable society where every Jamaican, no matter their background, has the access to the opportunities to fulfill their dreams and aspirations. I stand in the new and evolving St. Thomas. Look around. We must be committed to building and being active in the transformation of not only our personal lives, but the transformation of our community and the transformation of the wider Jamaica. Happy Heroes Day, Jamaica.